going to tell you a story about Lake Toba. Do you know Lake Toba? Lake Toba is the largest lake in our country. Now, do you want to listen to my story? Okay, the story is about the legend of Lake Toba. A long time ago, in a village in North Sumatra, there lived a young man. His name was Toba. Toba lived by farming in the rice field and fishing in the river near his home. Toba was a diligent person, although he had a small rice field. One afternoon, he decided to went fishing. After hours of waiting, he still hadn't caught a single fish. Today was not his lucky day. But finally, a fish bit his rod. He caught a big and beautiful fish. Toba hurried home to cook the fish. When Toba arrived at his home, Toba put the fish on the table and decided to get some wood for making fire. When Toba went back home, the fish was gone, but there was some delicious food on the table. Where is my fish? But there was a woman sitting near the table. Who are you, O beautiful lady, and where did you come from? I was that fish that you caught, and I'm not an ordinary fish, as you can see. I don't have a wife. Will you marry me? Okay, but there is one condition. You must never tell anyone that I was a fish. Will you promise me? Oh, okay, sure. But why, if I can ask? Just promise me you will never tell anyone, will you? Okay, I promise. Soon they got married. A year later, they had a baby boy. They were very happy. They named him Samosir. His mother loved him very much. Samosir really liked to eat. And when he finished his food, he started to feel hungry again. And then he ate again. Samosir grew very quickly and he became a strong and healthy boy. One afternoon, Samosir's mother asked Samosir to bring lunch to his father in the rice field. Samosir went as he was told. But in the middle of the way, he started to feel hungry. So he opened the box and ate a little, a bit more, and a bit more, until, oh no! I have eaten all of that lunch! When Samosir met his father, he handed him the box. Toba, who was very hungry, immediately opened the box and saw the leftover. Samosir! Why did you eat my lunch? Toba said angrily, You are a son of a fish! I'm not a son of a fish! Samosir cried loudly and went back to his home. When Samosir arrived at home, Samosir asked his mother, Mommy, am I the son of a fish? Samosir, what did you say? I said, am I the son of a fish? Dad just said it to me. What? Your dad said it to you? Yes, Mommy. Shocked and sad to hear this, Samosir's mother said, Samosir, run to the hill and climb the tallest tree. But why, Mommy? The flood is coming soon. Okay, Mommy. She went to the river where she met Toba for the first time. Goodbye, Toba. You have broken your promise. And then she jumped into the river and turned into full of fish again. And then the sky turned black, and thunder and lightning roared. The rain came so long and so hard that the water became higher and higher until the valley was no more, and it had turned into a lake. Now it is known as Lake Toba, and the small island in the middle is known as Samosir Island. That's the end of the story. The moral lesson of the story is we must keep our promises. Thank you for listening. God bless us. Bye.